Hey designers, have you ever come across a stunning font on a website and you wish you could just instantly identify and use that font in your own design? Well, meet Font Ninja. This is a must extension for every designer. Font Ninja allows you to inspect, identify, and even test fonts directly on any website. With just one click, you can see the font name, the size, the line height, spacing, and even more. All this can even save you hours of searching. And if you want to install this Chrome extension, then search for it on your browser and run the Chrome extension. So just run the Chrome extension on your website. You can also bookmark this extension so it is easier for you to find it anytime you come to any website. You can also pin it. So I pinned mine. It's always at the website toolbar, making it easier for me when I'm on any website. And this tool is a game changer for every designer, brand specialist, even developers. It eliminates guesswork and also speed up your workflow. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way to identify fonts on any website, just download Font Ninja today and level up your design process. Bye and happy designing!